Hey friends, it's Coach Tara, and I've got a great mobility sequence here for you that I like doing at the beginning of a workout just to get my whole body awakened. So let's take a look at it. So we're going to start just taking your hands to the shoulders. And what I want you to do too is think about wrapping your legs and connecting with your pelvis. So while you're doing this, you're not doing this kind of thing with your abdominals and your glutes. So you stay connected with your pelvis. You're going to circle the arms, so the elbows are going to circle up and back. And just do that a few times, or however many times you want to. You don't have to just do it however I'm doing it. You can keep going. And then unfold the arms, and then you're going to bring the hands up by your ears. Now at the top, turn your palms to face out, and then as they go behind you, the thumbs are going to point down. And again, you want to keep the pelvis tight so when you're doing this, this doesn't happen. So the arms come up, palms face out, thumbs down. Do that some. Now we're just going to put the two together. So you're going to do an elbow circle, unfold the arms, and then a big arm circle. And then the elbow circle, unfold the arms, and arm circle. And this time we're going to add on a squat. So you're going to do elbow circle, unfold, arm circle. As the arms come around, you're going to sit your pelvis back, keep opening the knees slightly, squat down, and then bring it up. So let's do that again. Elbow circle, unfold the arms, arms up, thumbs down, sit the hips back into a squat. And one more time. Elbows, arms, and squat. Now from this squat, go ahead and stand up, wrap your legs, find the connection in the pelvis, and then lift up onto your toes by using your pelvis. I think that I have a rock climbing harness on and somebody's pulling me up. So it's my pelvic connection that's actually lifting my heels off the ground. So you're going to lift up, and then as you lower the heels, circle the arms. So we're going to do that again. So you circle, circle, big circle, into the squat. Take the arms over your head, wrap the legs, connect with the pelvis, lift up onto your toes, lower down, and the arms come down. Then from here, we're going to squat again, and you're going to twist to the right. So reach your left arm forward, open up to the right, and then come back to the center into a squat, and then to the left, keeping your shoulders down and really reach those arms out. Feel the connection along your back and back to center. So let's do that one more time. Feel the connection on your back, and then back to the center, and like you're pushing through water. So you're really working to make this rotation happen. And back to center. And now we're going to put the whole thing together. So one circle with the elbows, unfold the arms. Big arm circle into the squat. Pelvis connects, lift up onto your toes. Circle the arms back into the squat. Rotate to one side, into the squat, and rotate to the other side. And squat. And then I'm going to do one facing side. Elbows, arms, squat, pelvis connects, lower the heels as you circle, squat, open, open, and down. Wow, that felt great. So what I'd like you to do is take it. If you want to follow along with exactly what I did, do so. If not, do more repetitions of whatever movement feels like you need. Like if you need to do more of these, do more of these. Enjoy it. So leave any comments or questions you have below. And most of all, just have fun.